Hi, this is Dr. Lona. I just wanted to go over something that we get questions about sometimes in the office, and that is that there's lots of kids in our office. And so sometimes new patients will comment on that when they come in because they're just surprised by the fact that we have a pediatric table and that there's so many little kids running around. And so I just wanted to comment on why so many patients do bring their families in with them. And the number one thing I think it is that once they learn the benefits of chiropractic and experience that, then they realize that that's true for any age, whether we're talking about a baby or someone who's in their 90s or 100 years old. They have a spine, and the spine is really the bony case around that nervous system, protecting that nervous system and how it's signaling. And so that doesn't matter what age you are, it's important that that's healthy and having the strongest connection it can. So when we really think about it, I like visuals. I'm a visual person. So we think about our brain sitting up here and it's signaling down that spinal cord and out all the spinal nerves to all the organs, all the systems, every part of the physical body. It sets up the tone of how that body is being expressed, how everything in that body is orchestrating together. And so if we have an area, let's pick on this bone right here at the top that's shifted, and now that's out of alignment where it's changing how that tone is being expressed or changing how that nerve system is firing, then it can create a whole gamut of problems or less than desirable situations. So you don't want that present, whether we're talking about, a newborn baby who had maybe a more traumatic birth, or a little kid that started football practice and is getting crunched for the first time, doing all his different drills. There's so many reasons that we can subluxate in these areas, but that's why it's so important to have kids of all ages checked out. And so families realize that this is just something proactive to do, just like brushing your teeth is proactive. When you start to have the awareness that your life can be lived better with a healthy nervous system, it just makes sense to have routine checkups at the chiropractic office too. So hopefully that explains the thinking of why so many kids are running around in here at times. And if you haven't had your young ones checked out, we would love to have them come in and have a nerve scan and to talk to you about the benefits and how it may assist them to have a healthier life. So thanks so much. This is Dr. Lorna again at Cook.